Hey folks, welcome to Military Forces Unleashed. Today we're diving into a high-tech upgrade shaking up military strategy, the U.S. Army's jamming pod tested on the legendary Gray Eagle drone. Let's unpack what makes this tech exciting, what it promises, and whether it's worth all the hype or the price tag. The Gray Eagle, a direct descendant of the Predator drone, has been a cornerstone of U.S. military operations since 2009. Built for long-endurance surveillance and precision strikes, this beast quickly became the Army's go-to for a variety of missions. But now, the stakes have risen. Modern battlefields demand more than just firepower. They demand electronic dominance. The introduction of a jamming pod marks a new era. It's like giving an already deadly predator the ability to mess with its prey's senses. These pods are designed to disrupt enemy communications, radar, and even GPS, critical tools for any modern force. Interestingly, these tests began as part of the Army's push to counter increasingly sophisticated adversaries like Russia and China, who aren't shy about flexing their own electronic warfare muscles. So, what's this jamming pod all about? Imagine a compact, lightweight system mounted on a drone capable of disabling enemy networks without firing a shot. It's like the ultimate troll move in modern warfare. But here's the kicker. It's not just about scrambling signals. This tech can also create deceptive signals, fooling the enemy into seeing things that aren't there, or worse, not seeing threats that are. Take the Gray Eagle's potential role in a near-peer conflict. In a hypothetical skirmish over contested airspace, these drones could neutralize enemy air defenses by jamming radar systems. During tests, the Army reportedly explored scenarios where the pods acted as force multipliers, enabling manned aircraft to slip in undetected. That's tactical gold right there. There's no denying the advantages here. The jamming pod enhances the Gray Eagle's utility, turning it from a hunter-killer into a full-spectrum tool for modern warfare. Plus, it's a step toward a more autonomous battlefield, where drones handle tasks humans can't or shouldn't. But it's not all sunshine and tactical victories. Jamming tech, by its nature, is a double-edged sword. It works great, until the enemy figures out how to counter it. And let's talk costs. These systems aren't cheap, and maintenance is a nightmare. A single malfunction can turn your multi-million-dollar investment into a fancy paperweight. And then there's the ethical gray area. Jamming isn't just a military tool, it can disrupt civilian networks. Imagine the chaos of a GPS outage in a major city. Critics argue that such tech blurs the line between military necessity and collateral damage. So, is the Gray Eagle jamming pod the game-changer it's hyped up to be? Probably, but with caveats. It's a shiny new toy in the Army's arsenal, but its true value will depend on how it's used and how quickly adversaries adapt. One thing's for sure. The race for electronic dominance is just heating up. What's your take? Is this tech the future of warfare or just another expensive experiment? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this deep dive, give us a like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow military enthusiasts. Let's keep this conversation rolling. Thanks for tuning in. Your support keeps us going. See you in the next one. Stay sharp.